is less and the throughput is good and the latency is very less. Yes. Then how can I monitor my total elastic cloud? Yes, I can monitor my total elastic clouds as I am having number of components. Yes. Then how can I monitor each and individual component? It's very tough to monitor each and individual component. So therefore, we are having monitoring agents which will be pointing, which will be keep an eye for each and every second, which will be monitoring total elastic cloud. I'm having operational op center, which is called as EMOC, and enterprise manager policy, and the ILOM management, and the platinum agent SR. So the platinum agent SR will be installed by Oracle, and they will take care of everything. And ILOM management, which is configured, it has a service processor. So the ILOM management is a different one, which is configured on the management switch. So it is called as an agentless monitoring, which is used to monitor each and every component within the Elastic Cloud. And the configuration of this ILOM management has been configured by Oracle itself. We need not to configure anything. And each and every component has a hardware and a software service processor exclusively for ILOM management, which will be working for each and every component. So therefore, whenever the components get failed, even if I need to power off, even if I need to reboot, or even if I need to shut down total Exalogic stack, so therefore from ILOM I can log into that particular compute node and I can shut down total compute node. So this is how the ILOM is helping us. And even if there are any disk failure, or even in the case of hardware failure, this ILOM will trigger an alert that will trigger an ASR to check with the Oracle. So, and we are having the operational policy, which is known as the EMOC. This is one of the agents that has been monitoring. So this is automatic. Op Center is automated in such a fashion that once you configure, discover that particular Exalogic or Elastic Cloud or engineering system in this Op Center. So once you configure this one, so automatically whatever the components that comes under within the single Elastic Cloud will automatically detected. Suppose if I configure a single asset, the single asset in the sense, if I configure single Elastic Cloud, now what are all the components that are comes under this single Elastic Cloud will be configured automatically. So we need not to configure each and everything manually. So Op Center is designed in such a fashion, it's been intelligent in such a fashion that it can provision automatically in each and every component, and it will update us, and it will monitor each and every component. Suppose, and if there are any patches that need to be patched, if there is any requirement that the software or the firmware is not in the proper fashion, so therefore it will trigger an alert to the user that this particular component is not reaching to the standards of Oracle. So please check with this Oracle system. So therefore, with the help of this monitoring alert, so therefore the user need not to keep continuously an eye on the system. So therefore, whenever there is an alert, so it will automatically trigger an mail, or either it can send the mail to the mobile as per configuration. So this is how the Op Center policy is having the highest features, and it is only exclusively only for Elastic Cloud, not for any of other email system. It's exclusive for Elastic Cloud. And the next one is the ExaCheck report, the last one, which will generate the report of total health check. So we can run either on a monthly basis, either on periodical basis for any pre or post maintenance activities, which will give the overall health score. The health score of total Elastic Cloud is here it is showing 92. The recommendation is about we should get at least 95 score out of 100. So this score specifies, resembles. So the health of your Elastic Cloud is very good. So how can I specify that? How can I do a benchmark that my Elastic Cloud is running in the proper fashion and is having all the availabilities to run properly? So this health score will help us to detect that the system is in the health condition. And so it detects problem as per Oracle Metallic document note 144492226.1. We can check how to execute this ExaCheck health check report. And suppose if there are any views, if there is anything that has been failed, now let us suppose that these are the warnings that have been given by for the health check report. If there is any message, and that message, for every message it will show the status whether it is a fail or a warning. So let us take that IP configuration for Ethos 0 and Bond 0 are not configured correctly. Now these if we need to check this particular error, so therefore you can click on this particular view option. So once you click on this option, therefore it will show what action and what recommendation need to be taken care for the particular warning to upgrade my health check report. So therefore it will show the links. So these are all the links you can check on the meta link that will give the some more idea and clarity what needs to be configured, and it will show where we need to keep the attention. Do we need to keep the attention on all the compute nodes or storage or switches? Yes, it will show on which component the attention needs to be take place. So here it's specifying that compute node 1. Yes, we need to take the attention on only compute node 1. So this is how I can check, I can verify the health check of total Elastic Cloud with the help of this ExaCheck report given by Oracle. So thank you. Any questions?
Thanks for the insightful presentation, Ramakrishna. Let's quickly take up the questions now. I would request you to read out the questions and their answers so that all our users may listen to your insights. I request all attendees to start posting their questions.